Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see trim function. By using this function we can remove extra spaces from text except for single spaces between words. Let's see. I'm going to type one name Ashok Kumar. So in this name I am going to create some space. So in the middle there is already I have created one space. I am going to create multiple space. In the end I am going to create two space. Also in the beginning I am going to create two space. Now let's see the formula. Put equal trim open bracket, select the text, closed bracket, enter. So now you can see there is no space. I am going to copy the text, paste special values, give OK. So we need to remove the formula. For that we should use paste special to remove the formula. Now you can see there is no space in the end. Also in the beginning there is no space. In the middle you can see just a single space we can find. There is no multiple space. I have created multiple space in this text, but by using this trim function we can remove multiple spaces. So in this function will remove the end and the start spaces completely. In between the words it will leave single space. Okay, so this is how this function will work. You can see the trim function in Excel removes extra spaces from text except for single spaces between words. So between words the trim function will not remove all the spaces. Here I have created multiple spaces, but it leaves a single spaces and remove the extra spaces. So this is how we should use trim function. So thank you for watching.